If you're listening to this, that means you're still standing. Maybe not with strength, maybe not with clarity, but you're here, and that's enough. I don't know what broke you. I don't know who left. I don't know what you lost. But I do know this. You are not finished. There are days when life feels too heavy, when your heart silently begs for peace, when no one checks in, and you wonder if anyone cares. But the truth is, you still have a purpose. Pain doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're alive. It means you care deeply. It means you're human. So cry if you need to, rest if you must. But don't you quit. You weren't created to break. You were born to overcome. There's something in you that can't be explained. A fire that pain couldn't put out. A fight that fear couldn't kill. The breakthrough you've been praying for. It won't come by running away. It comes by pushing through. One step. One tear. One decision at a time. So no, this isn't the end. This is the part of your story where you rise. You've already survived 100% of your worst days. This pain won't last. This season won't define you. And these scars, they're just proof that you fought, and you're still fighting. So breathe. Stand tall, even if your knees shake. Speak life to yourself, even if your voice trembles. Because breakthrough doesn't come to the perfect. It comes to the persistent. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not too late. You are not forgotten. You are being rebuilt stronger than ever. Because someone out there needs your story to survive theirs. The truth is, don't let your past hold your future hostage. You've still got breath in your body. You've still got fire in your soul. And that means your best days haven't even started yet. You are not forgotten. You are being hidden for the right moment. And that moment starts now. This is Voice of Breakthrough, and we're here to remind you, you matter, every day, every moment, and always. Subscribe now because your healing is powerful, and when you do, you won't rise alone. So don't give up on what you were born to do, and don't let fear lie to you. Subscribe for more.